Picture this, sunrise breaking over the wall as it stretches endlessly across the mountains. Did you know the Great Wall of China is the longest man-made structure in the world? Stretching over 21,000 kilometers, this incredible landmark wins its way across deserts, mountains and grasslands like a giant dragon. Imagine drone footage sweeping over this magnificent wall. Built over centuries, beginning as early as the 7th century BC, the wall was expanded and strengthened during the reign of Huang, the first emperor of China. Later dynasties, especially the Ming Dynasty, rebuilt and reinforced much of what we see today. You can see the intricate details up close, the ancient bricks, towering watchtowers, and countless steps. The wall wasn't just a barrier, it was a powerful defense system, complete with watchtowers, signal fires, and military garrisons designed to protect ancient China from invasions. Today, tourists from around the world walk along these ancient stones. Today, the Great Wall is one of the most visited landmarks on Earth and a proud symbol of Chinese history and resilience. In 1987, it was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its cultural and historical importance to the world. As the golden hour light bathes the wall, the camera pulls back to reveal its true majesty. Walking along the Great Wall isn't just a hike, it's a journey through thousands of years of history. Every stone tells a story of ambition, determination, and human achievement. Watch as the sun sets over these ancient mountains, painting the wall in golden light. If this view is on your travel bucket list, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more adventures around the world.